Right, so we've got these oak board for the sides, so it's nice and long. But I think I'm going to bolt it through rather than screw it, because it's not that thick. About 18mm thick, you know, it's sort of like flooring really. But it's hardwood. But I think what I'll do is I'll bolt that through there, and that'll look a nice job. First off, we'll have to slit this bit down and sort that out. So that's the job for today. Here's some more of the flooring here, look. That's really good stuff. That'll look a treat. Right, let's get on with it. Right, you can see what I've done here. I've put some bolts through, some stainless bolts. I haven't got no stainless nuts, so I've had to use a normal zinc nut, but I'll see if I can get some stainless nuts. That's better if they're all the same. We've just got to do that all the way along, and that's going to look quite good, isn't it? So we're just going to put one bolt in the middle there. I've got to just do that one. Put them two in. See, I've just left a slight gap for when it fold out. We just got to push that down because the wood might be warped a little bit. But yeah, it's going to look good, isn't it? So there we are. That's one side done. Unfortunately, I need to cut a little strip to go in the top just to finish it off, but otherwise it's looking pretty good, huh? So we'll carry on. I'm going to have to rip this side down before we start this, because I need that height of that wood there to start off of. So I'll strip that down and then finish the rest. And then obviously the offcuts will be used on the front and on the tailboard. And I've still got to get some of these to drill out there, and obviously drill out there, and I've got to drill these out, but I've got to strengthen them up as well. Maybe put another bit of steel in there. So there you are, and obviously paint it. Right, so we'll cut that sliver in. And we're ready to do this other side. There's that side done. Got to just cut that top bit. So we'll get this side done now. Yeah, won't take long. We'll do that. Right, so we've got this other side done. I did make a bit of a mistake. Obviously you can see that this is not straight. So when I measured at the top, it's ended up out a bit, so that's obviously not straight, but never mind. This side's actually come out a little bit better. That one's straight. See, you've got a gap on the top of there. We've also got a gap on the top of this one, but it's very minimal. You could actually get away with it. I mean, from the front here, let's stand back. You can't actually notice. Now they're obviously slightly different tongue and groove boards, because this is all stuff we just found up, you see. So we just got to cut that. I've actually ran out of bolts, so I haven't got enough bolts to finish in the middle. I could cut some bolts down. I might do that. But at the end of the day, I'm just ready to cut a sliver in there. I've cut the sliver for that bit. I'm probably going to make this one with some thicker wood, with some of this decking wood I'm going to put on there. So I won't need to bolt this, I can screw that on. So that's what I'm going to put at the front. I might even put it on the back as well, so I can then just use normal wood screws, so I wouldn't need to use any bolts. But I think you'll agree that's looking nice. Yeah. Right, so that's the tailboard done. As you can see, I've ran out of bolts. So until I get some more bolts, I can't continue. But the sides are done. I need a couple more bolts, as you can see on that top bit over there. But like I said, I can use screws on this front bit, so I'm going to do the front bit now and then give it all the paint. So we're almost complete. We have it. We're just waiting for some bolts. As you can see, I drilled some holes in the wood, drilled some holes ready to take the rest of the bolts. All right, I've just got to cut a thin sliver to go along there. This one probably what could do with a thin sliver as well, but I might not bother. I might have to take this one off and just cut this lip off before I put the sliver in, depending on what boards we got. But I'm now going to give it a paint of oil, and all in all, that's looked quite good. Obviously, you know about these bits. What I've got to complete. I've got a number plate thing to put on it. Yeah, all in all, that's looking good. I've also got an old light board that I'm going to stick here. So that light board will go there. And that'll all look pretty good. I'm really pleased.